If you're experiencing issues with Roblox multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and calibrate your settings for a better gaming experience. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services to confirm connectivity. Step 2. Update Roblox. Make sure you have the latest version of Roblox installed. Check for updates in the App Store or on the Roblox website and install any available updates to ensure compatibility. Step 3. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes firewall or antivirus software can block Roblox from connecting to the internet. Check your firewall settings and add Roblox as an exception to allow it to communicate freely. Step 4. Restart your device. A simple restart can resolve many issues. Turn off your device completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on to refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. This can fix corrupted files and reset any settings that may be causing the multiplayer feature to malfunction. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve issues with Roblox multiplayer not working. Enjoy your gaming.